Today is a special day in St. James Cathedral, Harrow, because the head of Leyte, Dr. Perez Mujuni, was awarded his degree, PhD, third degree, from Mbarara University of Science and Technology, and is the head of the Christians here. So we are so overjoyed. The message I was giving is to be humble. Even when we study and achieve those very high levels of accomplishment, we need to be humble, because the word of God in 1 Peter 5:6 says, humble yourself under God's mighty hand, and he will lift you up. And even King David, he went before the Lord and said, who am I and what is my family that you've brought me this far? Even if you are a professor, even if you are a very powerful person with knowledge, you only know a little bit. You can't know everything. So you need to be humble, and you need to serve the community.
And of course, here at the Cathedral, being the center of the diocese, they have supported me a lot, and I'm very grateful to the Christian of this parish and the general at large. And I pray that I have to continue working hard and support the work of God, and support the community, and support the university, Mbarara University, where I do work as a lecturer to the end.
Download the app on App Store or Google Play Store now. Vision Digital Experience, the future of media.